some action, dude. It's blinking. All right, today we fire up the Oldsmobile. MSD box was blinking. MSD is not blinking. No MSD power yet. We got oil pressure. We still have no MSD box. We got fuel. MSD is not doing shit. I blame Garrett. Oh, we need a timing light.
Alright.
No way.
Hold ya.
No way, Sean.
Hold ya.
Hold on.
Hold on. I was like, I have it directly hooked up. Like,
Go. It's gonna need more fuel, but yeah.
Oh, we're leaking fucking heavy oil.
No way.
Oh yeah.
Garrett.
Where's that coming from? Oh, how's that even possible? Oh, fuck.
Where?
The oil filter.
What?
Somehow the oil filter is not good.
Who installed the oil filter?
Me. And there's tape still on the header too.
Sean, what happened?
I don't know, man. That freaking thing started puking oil out the oil filter somehow. I don't know why.
Oh my.
I got the wrong oil filter in it.
On an engine. Or the core.
Still a little bit. I think we didn't fucking redline it. I better built over here, double gasketed an oil filter because when I took this oil filter out, swapped it real quick, didn't check for the other oil filter gasket. So rookie mistake for sure. Sean over here is cleaning up my mess. Harlan boy over here cleaning up my mess. My mess.
I think I got pretty much.
Garrett doesn't know what he's doing.
First time.
What?
First time.
What's first time?
Cleaning it out.
No, it's actually the second.
We cleaned out the oil system in the Olds.
Oh yeah, fucking flush.
A little bit of oil
flush.
Yeah, she needed a good oil leak.
You run it for 2 minutes and then get it out of there.
Yep.
That's the break here.
After our union break, we'll be back to fire this pig up.
All right, where's my fucking dog?
Yeah, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast.
Can I run up the score, run up the board, breaking the mold? Ay, ay, walking the door. You know what happened? We step on the floor. Ay, ay.
All right, union break is now over.
Back to, I gotta get some water. Fuck. I need a 16 and a 7.
6'7", you mean? What do you gotta say to the camera? Was it ready for another oil spill? Oh, tranny this time, guys.
Trans.
You guys got some input.
Beer.
One day this thing will run. Okay, we're jacking Michael's oil. Throw it in there. Toss her in there. Do not spill it. We already had a catastrophic spill today.
Oil filter's tight.
We got a little blitzing pad.
100% tight.
Dude, it's on there again. Whether it has another gasket, I don't know.
50-50.
I didn't check. 50-50.
Here's fire extinguisher, boy.
Your job is to watch for oil leaks and fire. So guarantee one of the two is gonna happen again. I'm banking on a fire.
Take 2.
Tape. I need the freaking action. Fire it.
Clutch in. Key on.
Is the one you don't have.
Which one do you need?
18. Avalanche drive.
At least she's old enough.
Nothing?
What?
Nothing?
Why do you need a half-inch 18? What happened to the one you used to do your job before?
That was his socket set.
Oh, where's his? squirt. Why doesn't she want to rip, Sean?
Right at 1K.
Okay.
That's not good. Go.
MSD box shuts off.
What does that mean? No ground, or is it? That's good enough.
What's the?
Cancer!
She got some braking on her right now. Obviously it needs more fuel because it's not revving that well. Got down on the idle, but it runs. That's all we wanted to do today, really. And then now we're gonna put the radiator in it, get the cooling system plumbed and done, and finish her up now. So my biggest concern was making sure that, you know, we had oil pressure and it at least ran before we finished up the wiring and whatnot. So that's at least progress today. That's all I cared about.
Cool!
What do you have to say?
It was very loud.
That is true.
Well, that's it for today's episode. That's all. Just wanted to tease you guys with the sound of the engine of America.
That's what bald eagles sound like.
Bald eagles in Ramona.
Stay tuned, guys.
I think we have 2 bald eagles in Ramona. Stay tuned.
We're gonna call the customer now.
G off?
D off. I haven't talked to him since Thursday. I'll blame it on Sean.
Don't forget to subscribe at the end.
Oh yeah, guys, hold on. There's a little smudge on the camera.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, just fired up your car.
Yeah, cool. I was just getting ready to come by your place in a little bit.
I kind of figured you would. Yeah, fired it up. It idled. It ran. It revved. All the wiring's good.
And
So we're gonna finish putting the radiator and cooling system and the whole front wiring harness in the car, and we should be able to drive it here probably by Friday.
all right, cool. Well, we'll see where things stand on that. I got something I'm bringing you. Well, it's just Sergio carburetor from his Jeep.
Yay. All right.
Can you rebuild one of those or not?
I can rebuild anything, dude.
Don't make me come there and be your fucking dad, John.
Sorry, brother.
Yeah, I heard Sean in the background, by the way. Yeah, I gotta have a little talk with that motherfucker. Yep, exactly. I have a dictionary for him.
Jeff don't like the word brother.
No, I don't mind the word brother, but he, you know, it's a long story. But like I said, I got a dictionary for him. And I got a couple.
You sure that's not for Garrett?
I got a couple little writing assignments for you. That might make him a little bit more appealing.
You should bring an enunciation book for Garrett. How to enunciate.
I don't think that's gonna work too well for him.
Why?
I don't think it's possible. Look at that guy, man. He's got a vocabulary of like maybe 120 words at best.
So he's like a dog.
And for the
Only
most part,
understands
they go,
120 words.
I think he just needs to be turned back loose into the fucking forest and find.
Don't forget to subscribe. Cool. All right, I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, sounds good, man.
All right.
All right, bye.
Stay tuned for maybe more of this. If there's a lot of people that watch this video, I'll make more videos about this kind of crap. If there's nobody that watches this video, I'll move on to the next thing. Like, I don't know. There's tons of things around here.
Yeah.
Oh, top secret, guys. Top secret. You can't see all of this.
No. That's all I see. 6 figures. I don't see anything really top secret. Are you zooming in on his broken heart?
Yeah. All right, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right.
Stay tuned.
We're going to lunch.
Stay tuned.
Wait. This is for you, Taylor. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Okay.
Right now, guys, what is going on in log heaven over here? What are you doing, dude?
We got lumberjack fucking.
You're not supposed to use a hammer on your truck. Is there a jack in there too with a log?
Yeah,
You trying to be like extra safe?
yeah. The logs for side quest.
Then we got a lawnmower going on over here. What's going on, guys? What is going on over here? All right. Good night.
Stay tuned.
Oh, guys, wait, hold on. I have a new project. Cop car. What should we do with it? Comment below.